You're gonna love the 2019 Dodge Durango. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Durango delivers rugged, full-size SUV power and capability, advanced safety features, refined comfort, third-row spaciousness, and the bold spirit born of muscle car heritage. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why skimp on capability? Get the SUV that's up to the task, the Durango.